Hey guys, welcome to the CheckouttheRileys. So this is the second day, and this is I'm planning to have this house rented. So I'm trying to fix some of the stuff, like it should be like American friendly place. So what I worked on is the curtain rod and the curtain. See, this is what's it called, like sun to cover the sun, so it's like even if it's uh, you have jet lag from since like in America it's like 12 hours difference, so you gotta have a week of adjustment. There you go. And this is the third room, and the living room, this is the living room. Still I had to work on buying another curtain for that, and a pillow. The second room, this one is the second. Since they're fixing this ceiling fan right here, so if I turn on two ACs, you know it include the living room too. So sensya na po. Trying hard mag-English, pero those people who only understand English, I tried. Okay, so here is the ceiling fan. The doorbell is not as like right now latest doorbell that just plug in and put the what you call that, like to push the button. They fixed it. It's like electric connected to the wall, so it works. We'll try the doorbell. Look, they put the I don't know if it works, but guess didn't hear it. So they fixed the light too. We'll try the light. Oops, forgot they turned off the electricity. So this is the back door. I'm working on fixing this one, like make this plain, so and put chairs on it. It works. Look, huh? Bakit nakatunog siya? There's sound, so he will try to fix it. Let there be light. That's the curtain. This is the second room. So we're still missing bed frame, and the mattress. I'm gonna buy. That's the next one that I'll buy. Kama, kutsyon, lit na table. This is the master's bedroom. Still had to buy another mattress. Chang! This one, another one, since this is a two-bed thing. And here, there's the curtain, AC. So I had them put the water heater. Try to turn on the light first. Yeah. And the exhaust fan. Ta-da! And the water heater. Sa mga takot ng malamig. Ito na po sa mga hindi naliligo, takot sa tubig. medyo okay na pang-convince. To convince people to take a shower. And then this. It took them a while though. Cha-cha! Fix that one too. Baboom! Water, yay! Malamig pa rin. Well, guys, you can take a... When you poop and you take a shower at the same time, see? Wow! It's warm now. It's for there. And another one. Oh, that I don't know where. This one. Cha-chan! And ta-da! This one. So guys, here next thing to buy is 2 single bed, table, curtains, some few curtains. There, kitchen curtains. What else? Oh, one of the thing my husband suggests is to cover those up there so he won't hear the neighbors. You know, like if they cough, you can hear as if they're inside the house. So I will work on that too. Also to take all those stuff. And what else? Curtains, bed sheets, towels, decorations. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and make comment your suggestions and stuff. See ya.